Hey y'all, I'm so happy that you joined me today because we are going to do the most fun recipe, easy and yummy. So what we're going to do is make what's called an impossible coconut pie. And it's in my cookbook on page 216 if you have my cookbook. And the reason it's called impossible is because you don't have to make a crust for it. The crust is made with the ingredients that you're using. So first of all, we have 4 eggs. And we're going to beat in 1 cup of sugar with the eggs. So we'll beat those until they're kind of light and fluffy. And I'm just using this whisk that I love, y'all, because then I don't have to get out anything else. I can just use this whisk. Makes it a whole lot easier. And then we're going to add, you beat these together separately. And then all you do is add the rest of the ingredients, which is a 1/2 cup of flour. Oh, that's not right. A 1/2 cup of Bisquick. And that's what makes the crust. So a 1/2 cup of Bisquick. 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm trying to whisk this as fast as I get it in. And your butter needs to be really soft or lightly melted. I'll just say lightly melted. And just whisk away and get all the little lumps out. And if I have to, I can get out my hand mixer, but let's try it like this first. Okay, and 2 cups of milk. Whole milk. Make sure that it's whole milk. And this milk we get from our local dairy, Hatcher Farms, that we love. We love them, and we're so happy that they're near us. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. That's kind of like a Bangladesh, just a little bit more. But anyway. Okay. And then 3/4 of a cup of shredded coconut. So, we had coconut for Easter, so I had plenty. And so that's why we decided to do this pie for y'all today, because it's going to be yummy and delicious. And it's easy. This would be perfect for the weekend for your family. We're actually bringing this to some friends. And so, anyway, I think you're going to absolutely love it. And while I'm mixing this together really well, let me say to y'all, thank you so much for following me and subscribing. Make sure you subscribe to the correct YouTube channel. Sometimes people try and steal your stuff, but if it says Miss Dana's Kitchen, it's me. And liking and sharing our videos. So here we go. All we have to do now is, let me get those little clumps of coconut out. Sometimes whenever your coconut's in a bag, it kind of gets in little clumps. So you want to make sure that you have those out whenever you pour it in your pie dish. Okay, so I just preface this with some Pam. And then we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for, let's see how long. 45 to 50 minutes. So that's about the normal time that it takes for a pie. So we'll show it to you whenever we get it out of the oven. Okay, y'all, we're back. And look at this. Isn't that beautiful? No crust. Just super simple. Just add a little Bisquick and it makes its own crust. So what are the things Charlene's here with me today? And Nico. So what do the people do at makeup?
Huh?
On Instagram, they go,
Oh.
so here's our pie. So we're going to cut into it. It's soft and full of coconut. And honestly, I think it might be diet pie because it doesn't have the crust.
That's true. And it's coconut. It's fruit.
And you got your fruit.
Or it's coconut natural fruit.
Eggs, milk. Woo, look how pretty that cut. My goodness. See, so it makes, this is a good picture.
Oh, yeah,
Makes a little bit of custard, a little bit of crust, a little bit of custard, and then some filling. So we're going to taste it. You want to taste it? You want me to?
You can. I don't care.
Well, here, you taste it.
Well, I can't really.
Oh, okay. I'll hand it
I'll
to
taste
you.
it after.
Okay.
Let me take a bite with my hand.
Oh, okay. We are rednecks.
Ooh, that is good.
It is good. Okay, so it passed the taste test. So here you are, a great recipe for the summer, anytime. Crustless coconut pie. Bon appetit, y'all.